Hello, welcome to Electronica, Productronica India. This is an area where we're discussing with the different states of India about the Made in India 2025 program and some of the inward investment. I'm joined by two gentlemen here from the state of Rajasthan. To my left, I have Dinesh Panadia, who's the Assistant General Manager, is that correct?
Additional general manager.
Additional General Manager, I apologize. And to my right, I have R.K. Gupta. Welcome, gentlemen. Okay, so uh, this is a huge program that's been levied both at the government level and then at the state level. Some of the incentives that are out there for international companies to invest in India coming from the state level are going to involve things like the GST sales tax, which is going to modify the sales tax to a general level across India. Is that correct?
Yes, true. The system is already in place now. The parliament, the act has been passed. Many of the state governments have also passed the act, and the administrative part of this process has also been started. And very soon, the meeting of the council, GST council, is going to take place, which would have representatives of different state governments. So the entire process has been in motion now, and I think very shortly the whole system would be in place. Government is wanting that it to be implemented as early as possible, preferably from 2017. Let's see.
Well, I mean, obviously, the whole point here is that the government should exist to make the conditions easy for companies to want to invest in India and do business here in India. So at the moment, there's like a 30% import duty on goods coming in. This GST, general sales tax, is going to, I think, end up bringing it down to about 18% across the country. Is that what your understanding is?
Yeah, since Mr. Gupta told that the GST council will be in place, they will discuss the rate of the GST. It will depend on the council how much rate they will propose.
Okay. So let's move on a little bit here and talk about Rajasthan. What are the actual incentives that you think, or the benefits for companies looking to invest? What does Rajasthan have to offer?
Yeah, for any investor, there are few important things which he looks at. One, the state should have investor-friendly policies. The state should have highest level of ease of doing business. That is, an environment is to be offered to the investor so that he can do his business hassle-free. And that is reflected through simplifying the procedures for obtaining various approvals, finances, and so many other government approvals, and so on and so forth. Then the state should develop a state of art industrial infrastructure to be offered to the international or national investors so that they can hassle free implement their project and run it successfully. Rajasthan is one of the front runner states in the country, which has developed a lot of industrial estates where state of art industrial infrastructure has been created. Many international companies have already come and set up their project, and they are running very satisfactorily. State has been pioneer in introducing very progressive labor reforms, because labor is very important issue for successful and hassle-free running of a company. So state has done that. The state has also announced very progressive and attractive set of incentives to those who are coming to invest here. Yeah, we have created product specific, sector specific industrial zones where similar units can come under the Government of India schemes or on our own also, besides uh, establishing general industrial areas. The law and order situation in Rajasthan is very good, and the most important USP of the state is that it is very close to the capital, that is New Delhi. Our flagship area, Bhiwadi, which is hardly 60-65 kilometers from Delhi International Airport. And if you and it is
Talking
on
about Noida.
no Bhiwadi. It is on Jaipur Delhi National Highway, and RICO has developed many industrial zones areas on this road close to Delhi. Uh, Being close to Delhi and being in the national capital region NCR is very advantageous for anybody who is coming to invest.
Okay, well, that's certainly a good thing to be very close to the main conurbation in New Delhi. But you have some other specific benefits that you can offer companies, I believe, in terms of setting up with land, helping them with the legal systems perhaps, and also financial support. Can you tell us a bit about that?
RICO is offering land rebate on land for a mega projects, and state is offering various incentives to the electronics industries. These incentives include stamp duty exemptions, electricity duty exemption, land tax. These are the incentives being offered by state to the industries, and exemptions are provided by the state government for promoting electronics industries in the state. As far as infrastructure is concerned, RICO has RICO has developed a electronics manufacturing cluster in Karoli industrial area Bhiwadi on 122 acres of land, where one of the leading mobile manufacturer has already set up a unit and likely to start production by November or December 2016.
Excellent. So you've already got existing mobile manufacturers on your land. Okay. Well, gentlemen, it sounds like you've got a lot going for yourself with Rajasthan. If anybody wants any more information on it, of course, you can get it on their website. The information will be coming up on your screen. But for now, I want to thank you very much for taking part today. Thank you.
Thank you.